Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Cozy Chats, English Before Sleep. Tonight's story is It's Okay to Slow Down. Sometimes life feels very fast. The days pass quickly, one after another. And there is always something to do. There are small things and big things and many thoughts in your mind at the same time. It can feel like you are always moving, always thinking, always trying to keep up. Maybe you wake up and already feel a bit rushed. Maybe your mind starts working immediately, thinking about everything you need to do. And the day continues, step by step, without many quiet moments. But tonight is different. Tonight, you don't need to hurry. You don't need to keep up with anything. You don't need to move fast. You can slow down. You can slow down. Right now, there is nothing you must do. No place you must go, and no problem you need to solve. Everything can wait. The world will still be there tomorrow. Everything can wait. Everything can wait. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. There is no rush. You can take your time. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Slowly, gently. Let your body begin to relax. Notice your shoulders and let them drop a little. Notice your hands, your arms, and your fingers. Let them feel soft and heavy. There is nothing you need to hold, nothing you need to carry right now. You don't have to do everything today. Some things are not important right now. Some things can wait until tomorrow, or maybe even later. And that is okay. It is completely okay. Sometimes we forget to rest. We keep going even when we are tired. We tell ourselves, just one more thing, and then another thing, and another. But your body knows when it needs to slow down. Your body understands rest. And now you can listen. Slow down. There is no rush. There is nowhere you need to be. You can take this moment just for yourself. There is no rush. There is no rush. Imagine a quiet moment, a simple moment with no noise and no pressure. A moment where nothing is expected from you. No one is asking you to do anything. You are just here, calm and still. You are in that moment now. Your breathing becomes slower and softer. Your body feels a little heavier, a little more relaxed. You don't need to think about tomorrow. Tomorrow will come later, but not now. Now is only for rest. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to stop. You are allowed to slow down without feeling guilty, without feeling like you should be doing something else. You are allowed to slow down. Let your thoughts become quieter. If a thought comes to your mind, you don't need to follow it. You can notice it and then gently let it go, like a cloud moving slowly across the sky. It comes and then it goes. There is no need to hold on to it. Just let it pass. Your body is resting now. Your mind is slowing down. Everything inside you is becoming calmer and softer. There is less movement, less noise, and less tension. There is nothing you need to fix right now. Nothing you need to change. You don't need to solve anything tonight. You can leave everything for another time. Maybe you can feel your body becoming heavier. Your muscles are soft. Your breathing is slow and steady. Your heart is calm. Everything feels a little quieter, a little more peaceful. If you notice any tension in your body, you can gently let it go. You don't need to force it. Just allow it to soften little by little. You are safe in this moment. You are calm in this moment. There is nothing here that you need to change. Everything is okay. Slowly, you feel more and more relaxed, more and more calm. Your body sinks a little deeper into rest. Your breathing continues, soft and heavy. There is no need to think about time. There is no need to do anything next. There is only this moment, quiet and still. You are safe. You are calm. You are resting. And now, slowly, gently, you can let yourself slow down completely. You can let go of the day. You can rest. Good night.